Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me a REALME 9 Pro Plus device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. So your device has really great battery, but after years of using this device, the battery of your device will lose their capacity. So you will need to improve battery life of your device, and now I will teach you how to do it. So firstly, you need to disable unused features. So if you are using mobile internet right now but not using Wi-Fi, just disable Wi-Fi and vice versa. Then if you're not using Bluetooth right now, if you're not using your headphones right now, or Bluetooth watches, so just disable Bluetooth. Disable location services if you're not using maps right now. And of course you have OLED display. It means that in the dark places your screen is just disabled, so enable dark mode. And now in all dark places, your screen is just disabled and not consumes your battery power. Set up dark wallpapers on your home screen and on your lock screen too. As you can see, I have light wallpapers, so I need to set up dark wallpapers. So wallpapers, you can choose wallpapers from Wallpapers app, and find here any dark wallpaper. Click apply. Home screen and lock screens. Great. As you can see here, I have dark wallpapers. And now in dark places my screen is not consuming battery power. Great. And of course disable NFC and newbie share, and great. Then disable auto brightness and reduce the brightness of your screen. Open settings, scroll down and find here battery. And here you will see power saving mode and super power saving mode. So open power saving mode and enable this mode if you want to save your battery life. But if you want to improve your battery life for days, you need to enable super battery saving mode. So enable it, and in this mode of course you will be able to use only 6 applications in time. You can set up this application, you can add these applications, but of course if you will add games here, this mode will be useless. So I suggest you use only most wanted applications. So you can set up these apps. For example, you can remove clock from it and add, I don't know, maps, for example. And if you want to go back to the normal mode, just click exit button and click exit. So great, that's it. I have taught you all I know about improving battery life, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.